Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing some animated animal character turnarounds. For those who don't know, a turnaround is a series of drawings of a character from different angles. By doing that, we create a model sheet, starting usually with a front view, then moving into other angles, using guidelines across the page to help position the features. Drawing a turnaround is a perfect way to get a firm understanding of any character. Anyway, over the past few weeks, we've swerved into drawing some of the legendary Looney Tunes animal characters, and there are many, including the one we're going to draw today. He's generally considered the longest-running star character in the history of Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies, the one and only Porky Pig, who made his debut in 1935 in the short I Haven't Got a Hat. Now, just as a reminder before we start, everything I draw in my videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the process I use works, and it will work for you too. Okay, so let's draw. We're going to draw our turnaround of Porky Pig step by step, giving you the secret formula so you can draw him again and again. If you've watched my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In our turnaround of Porky, his height is roughly 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the oval we use to map out his noggin, his entire body is about 2.5 of those stacked up. Now, Porky is a great character to study because he's built from really clear, simple shapes. Oval head, oval cheeks, eggplant-shaped body, and short arms and legs. Even though his design looks simple, the proportions are very specific, which is exactly why doing a turnaround is so helpful. Once you understand how these shapes relate from front to 3/4 and side views, you really start to understand the character. Okay, so let's draw a roadmap for today's turnaround of Porky Pig. Okay, so there's a roadmap of our Porky Pig turnaround. Now before we move on, let's break Porky down into simple shapes. For those of you who want a screen grab, just something to help you when laying out your turnaround of Porky. Alright, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. We're using guidelines to help position Porky's eyes, snout, mouth, cheeks, body, and overall build. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to keep them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our turnaround of Porky Pig. Alright, so there's our roughed out features of our Porky turnaround. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw the final details of our Porky turnaround. We're not guessing anymore because we've already done all the hard work. Now's the time to slow down, clean up your lines, and make sure that each drawing feels like the same character from every angle. That's the key with a turnaround. So as you finish, keep checking. Are the eyes lined up? Does the snout feel like it's rotating correctly? And are the ears staying consistent? And is Porky still landing at about 2.5 heads tall? Keep refining all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the final details for our turnaround of Porky Pig. And that's how you do it. There you have it, a turnaround of the oldest and one of the most beloved Looney Tunes characters of all time, Porky Pig. So how do you think you did? If this is your first time drawing Porky or doing a turnaround, you can expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Porky turnaround because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the formula, the process for drawing a turnaround of Porky Pig. I promise each time you draw it, it's going to get a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your turnaround of Porky. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends. That's all, folks.